In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to play the strongest battlegrounds in VR. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to play strongest battlegrounds or Roblox in virtual reality. This process will work for you to set up Roblox in virtual reality, and you will be able to access strongest battlegrounds or any other experience that you choose in virtual reality. So the requirements are going to be a VR headset, usually an Oculus, HTC Vive, Valve Index, or whatever you have, and a compatible PC with Roblox installed. Now, some games are going to be VR compatible, but most of the time, all of them are going to work without any problems. So to enable this feature, like I said, first install and configure your VR headset. I'm going to assume that you have already used your VR headset before, but if you haven't, you will need to connect it to your PC and set it up according to the manufacturer's instructions. Once this is done and you ensure that all the necessary drivers and software are installed, then just download and install Roblox on your PC. When you go over to any experience inside of Roblox, you join and you open the settings. One of the available options is going to be to enable VR. So if you go into an experience, you pause the game by pressing escape and you go into the settings, in here there is going to be a VR option. You need to make sure that this option is set to enabled or yes. By turning on VR from this menu, you will be good to go. If you don't see the virtual reality option, it could indicate that you didn't set up your VR headset properly and it is not being detected. But if it is and you enable VR from this settings menu, all that you have to do now is join any compatible game for virtual reality, put on your VR headset, and Roblox should be running flawlessly. Depending on the headset that you have, there will be more or less setup to do, but usually just connecting it to your PC and running the application on the VR headset will be good enough, and it will get working. Sadly, I don't have virtual reality footage to show, but this is all you have to do. I hope I was able to help you on how to play the strongest battlegrounds in virtual reality. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more very easy tips. Thank you for watching.